Hello everyone, I'm Advi. I welcome you to another exciting episode of my podcast. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of a man who changed the way we understand the universe. A man whose name has become the symbol of intelligence. A man who proved that curiosity can change the world. That man is Albert Einstein. But do you know something surprising? As a child, Einstein was not considered as a genius at all. Let's find out why. Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879. When he was very young, he spoke much later than other children. Some people even thought he was very slow. His teacher believed he could never achieve anything great. Imagine that. The boy who would later become one of the smartest people in the history was once underestimated by others. But Einstein had one special quality. He was extremely curious. He loved asking questions. He wanted to know, why does a compass needle always point to north? What are stars made of? How does light travel? His curiosity never stopped. Einstein once imagined something very unusual. He asked himself, what would happen if I could ride on a beam of light? Most people would never think about such a question, but Einstein did. This simple imagination eventually led to his famous ideas about space, time, and the universe. Einstein believed that imagination was just as important as knowledge. One of his famous quotes was, imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge tells us what we know. Imagination helps us discover what we do not know yet. Einstein did not become successful overnight. He faced many difficulties. He made mistakes. He failed many times. But he never stopped learning. Instead of being afraid of failure, he saw it as an opportunity to grow. He once said, a person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. What a wonderful lesson for students. If you make a mistake in mathematics, science, sports, or drawing, don't feel sad. It simply means you're learning something new. Einstein's discoveries helped scientists understand the universe better. His work changed physics forever. In 1921, he received the Nobel Prize in Physics, one of the highest honors a scientist can receive. Yet, despite all his success, Einstein remained humble and continued learning throughout his life. What can students learn from Einstein? Dear friends, Einstein's life teaches us 5 important lessons. Be curious. Never stop asking questions. Use your imagination. Dream beyond what others can see. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are stepping stones to success. Keep learning. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Even if others doubt you, never stop believing in your potential. Today, you may be sitting in a classroom. You may be solving homework problems. You may be reading a book or learning a new skill. Remember, Einstein once was a just child like you. He wasn't born famous. He wasn't born with a Nobel Prize. What made him extraordinary was his curiosity, imagination, and determination. The next great scientist, inventor, teacher, doctor, artist, or leader could be listening to this podcast right now. Maybe it's you. Before I say goodbye, let me leave you with one of Einstein's most inspiring quotes. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. So, my dear friends, keep asking questions, keep imagining, keep learning, and most importantly, never stop believing in yourself, because great achievements often begin with a curious mind and a brave heart. Thank you for listening. I'm Advi, and I'll see you again with another inspiring story. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep shining. Bye.